I love feet, yes I do. They're so sweet, I want them to. Put them all up every day. I love feet, I love legs. They're my feet, I love to eat. They're real sweet every day. I have so many things to do with feet. They go my way. I walk with my feet all day. They're so happy, they like to say, my feet are, they're all mine. I like feet, I like them just fine. Tweety Bear, come here, Tweety Bear. What is that? You like the feet or something? I just don't understand what this feet fetish is all about. What's up with these feet? What's up with them? I just don't understand. What's it all about? Tweety Bear? What's up with the feet fetish thing? Just don't make no sense. They're so sweet every day. I love you. They're so sweet, I need to say. What's it all about? I don't know what to do when I see feet. I just want to chew on them, and I don't know what to say. Just the way I feel today. Those feet are so delicious, and I think they're probably nutritious.